No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
And now I'm stargazing. You think for the stars, but I've been scarred lately. Taking keys, stealing cars, we just some lost babies. Live too fast, now I'm grown. Excuses in my head, I ain't thinking I'm wrong.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So welcome back to another surprise. It is a haul. This is kind of like a summer luxe slash like pre-birthday haul. I've got a couple of really special items that I cannot wait to show you. Okay, and then I'll also be sharing with you my top picks from this year's Nordies anniversary sale, you guys. So let's go ahead and hop right into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, you guys. I post videos here twice a week, sometimes on Wednesdays or Thursdays, but always on Sundays. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Bree real life luxury family, you guys. Also, don't forget to turn on that little post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Bree, all one word, all spelled out. I love you so much, you guys, and I'll see you in the video. Okay, you guys, so before we hop into the video, somebody asked for a hair update. So as you guys can tell, my hair is different and I'm so freaking happy. So we are back to leave out, okay? It's just a regular schmegular, degular sew-in, and I cannot be more happy about it, you guys. You know, you experienced firsthand my ongoing lace struggle. Not that I don't still love the look of lace. I think it just looks really like well put together and sleek and finished, and I love those baby hairs. But listen, in this Houston heat, I cannot be bothered with glue and lace that is constantly lifting up. Like I just can't. Plus, I live an active lifestyle. Like your girl works out 4 times a week, and I film and I get hot when I get dressed like any regular girl does. So it was not working, honey. So yes, we have got ourselves a beautiful, amazing sew-in. I just went back to my like oldie but goodie hairstylist that started doing my hair when I first moved to Houston. And so like I said, it is a full sew-in. I think I've got 3 bundles. We also cut it. It's got some really pretty layers. I've got a side part, you know. So yeah, say yes to healthy hair. I'm happy, I'm loving it. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop right in. So like I said, I have a couple of items from the Nordstrom anniversary sale to show you guys. So first of all, you guys know that I am a huge lover of Hourglass. So first thing you know I had to pick up was this. So Nordstrom or Hourglass always comes out with a special limited edition anniversary palette for Nordstrom. And how gorgeous is, okay, it was upside down. How gorgeous is this? So this is the, it's called the Lighting Essentials palette from Hourglass. And when I saw it on the website, like I knew that I had to have it immediately. So it comes in typical brown Hourglass packaging. And this is what the actual palette looks like. How gorgeous is this, you guys? So the actual shade, so it's got dim light, surreal effect, and eternal bronze light. So typically these will have at least one or two limited edition shades. So this here, it is this one here. It is the Eternal Bronze Light. This Surreal Effect is the really popular blush that was inside of the, and I'll put it right here, the Marble limited edition palette that they came out with, you guys. I have like 5 of them. I'm obsessed. So absolutely love this palette. Definitely had to get this, you guys. I believe it's $63 or $64. Now I will say this, I am not a Nordstrom card holder, you guys. I actually used to work there. So I did not get to like do any of the pre-shopping or anything like that for the card holders, but I do know that it was sold out for a very long time. But then right before the anniversary sale opened up to the public, to everybody, which happened yesterday on the 28th. Yes. They restocked this. So I'm not sure if it'll still be available or not by the time I post this video, but fingers crossed because it's amazing. Okay, so next up from the Nordstrom anniversary sale is, so this is one part of a two-piece set. So this is the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. It's the shimmering body oil. You guys, this is like a staple in every Instagrammer's makeup drawer. So I definitely wanted to try it. So they have a set on Nordstrom as a part of the anniversary sale that comes with 2 bottles. So you get 2 of the smaller size bottle. I believe it's the 1.5 fluid ounce. So this is the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. It is in the gold, and so as a part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale, they actually have this. It comes in a little 2-piece set. So you get this one, the gold, and then you also get the rose gold right here. You guys, this stuff is super, super pretty. I haven't actually gotten to use it yet. I will say that I'm not in love with the scent, but maybe that will change. But I just love how shimmery and pretty it is. So I'm excited to wear this on vacation. Okay, so these next 2 items I'm going to be showing you, they are not a part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale, but I did get them from Nordstrom. Well, actually one of these. So the first one I got from Nordstrom, this is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting. It's their Infinity Powder. So you guys, you know I'm a big fan of dim light. I actually have it right here, okay, in case I need to powder. Dim light is the best setting powder for any black or brown girls or any girls. It's just so good. I love it. But this one, I've been seeing this and I've been wanting to try it for ages. I don't know why I put this stuff back in the box because now I'm having to struggle on camera to open it. No big deal. So it is this one here. So this is what it looks like. And it is called Infinity Powder. So Hourglass is really, really known for like doing their blushes and powders or even highlighters that have like a mix. So I'm super excited to try this one out. It's got pretty good reviews, so we shall see. Okay, so next up, this one I'm super excited about. Now this one I did get from Sephora. This one is not available on Nordstrom.com. It used to be, it's not anymore, and it's also sold out on the actual Hourglass website. So it is called Sublime Flush. So I have every single Hourglass blush ever made, actually, except for this one. No, that's a lie. I also don't have At Night. But this one I've been wanting to try, you guys, because it is let me see how they describe it as being a wearable pink blush mixed with lilac. It was the lilac for me. You guys know I'm obsessed with lavender, obsessed with purple, obsessed with lilac. So this is what the blush looks like. So it's absolutely gorgeous. It definitely reminds me of that other pink one that's in the palette. But how gorgeous is this? That lilac is just really popping. It's really popping. I cannot wait to wear this. It's definitely gonna be like a part of my birthday makeup, so I'm super excited. Okay, so really quickly, I'm just gonna be giving you guys some of my top picks from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I'm not really a big Nordies shopper unless it's like shoes or beauty. I don't shop there for like clothing or homeware or anything like that. So all of these top picks that I have are gonna be beauty. So first up is going to be the Soy Face Cleanser from Fresh. You guys, I'm obsessed with this face wash. First of all, I really love Fresh. I love that they're a really clean brand, very natural. But this soy face wash it's the bomb. So this set is gonna come with a full size and then a smaller size for the bargain price of $38, okay? We love that. Next up, I saw they have a Dior Lip Glow and Care set. So this one is $70, it's a $100 value. So you get the Dior Lip Glow, which you know I'm obsessed with. I own this in like every shade. You also get, I believe it's their maximizer, and then there's like a little clear thing. I'm not sure what that is. It might be like an extra plumper, but hey, it looks good to me. Next up is the Tom Ford set that I was telling you about. So this is the Soleil Blanc body oil set. So it's a $90 value. It's on sale for $72. So you get 2 of the 1.5 ounce shimmering body oil, one in the gold, one in the rose gold. So really, really love that. And then of course, had to get my Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing gel. You guys, I used to work at Clinique. Like, I am a die-hard Clinique girl. I absolutely love this stuff. It's such a good, just really basic, clean moisturizer. I use the gel. So this set comes with the pump, and then you also get a little travel set, and it's $39. Bomb deal. We love that. And then last but not least, you guys, Mario Badescu. You guys know that I'm obsessed with that lavender water. I've also used their rose water as well. I love anything with rose in it. So they have a set here. You get the full-size drying lotion, which literally, That is such an amazing product for like putting on pimples or like acne overnight. It is incredible. So you get the full size of that, you get their rose lip balm, and then also you get a travel size of their rose water facial spray. Amazing. And it's only $23. Like, it's amazing. They're basically giving stuff away for free. So you guys, those are my Nordies top picks from their anniversary sale. I will link all of the good stuff down below. Everything that I talked about will be down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. So now let's hop into the really fun stuff, the haul. So first up, we're gonna start with shoes. So this particular pair of shoes I have been wanting for a hot little minute, and look who it is. So, okay, they look really white right here, but they're definitely not. So these are the Bottega Veneta stretch, wow, that was thunder, stretch sandals. And they are in this like raffia, I believe that's what it's called, raffia or something. It's like a straw type material, which is really, really in for summer. So this is what they look like. How gorgeous is this shoe, you guys? I'm completely obsessed with it. It's this really pretty nude color. It's showing up a lot lighter on camera, but I'm completely obsessed with this shoe. I think it's absolutely perfect for summer, and I cannot wait to wear it. Okay, next up is a very, can I say any more berries? Special pair of shoes. So you guys, I recently posted a vlog. It was my latest vlog. I'll pin it right up there, where I did some pre birthday shopping, and I ended up purchasing quite a few pairs of Mina Muadis. I am obsessed with all of their new season. Although this particular pair of shoes is not really new season, it's last season, I believe. I own it in 2 colors already, but you guys know that I've talked about this before. Like, this was like my dream shoe, and I found it. I actually purchased these from Tootsie's in Houston. So, lovely Amina Muaddi box. Pose for the thumbnail. Okay. So, inside, gorgeous pink satin Amina Muaddi dust bag. And just unbox together, you guys. So these are the shoes, and like I said, I did vlog about getting these, you guys. I'm completely obsessed with them. So these are the Amina Muaddi Julia. These are the Julia heels in clear, like, you guys. Oh, and they're so gorgeous. So I put these on my feet. I was lucky enough to find them in my size. I got these in a 37.5. That's the only size that they had in the store. I typically take a 38 in Amina Muaddi, but I didn't even care because I have been searching for these shoes. Like, look at that. You guys, like I said, I have these in 2 colors already. So I have them in black, and then I have them in like this iridescent silver. But these are definitely like one of my dream shoes. They are sold out. I didn't even know Tootsie's had these, and I just happened to walk in there on that fateful day, and there they were. I am completely obsessed with these. So completely obsessed. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. So next up, getting into bags, because what would a haul for me be without bags? It is, ooh, you could almost see the top of it. So it is another Saint Laurent bag, you guys. I've really been loving YSL. Like, TBH, I've really been loving everything. Like, everybody is popping. Everybody is coming out with new, really pretty things. So this is from Saint Laurent here, and inside, so I actually have this style of bag already, but you guys, when I saw this particular colorway material, I knew that I could not live without it. Ooh. So this is the YSL Saint Laurent. This is their medium college bag. So I have the Lulu. I've actually had 2 Lulus, but I got rid of the first one. But I have the Lulu. So this is actually the college bag. I'm really not sure what the difference is, aside from the fact that this one has a handle and then the strap that goes here. But that's okay. It also has a chain, but what makes this particular Lulu special is that it's in this beautiful linen, which is really in for summer right now, you guys. It's got this amazing aged gold hardware chain. I am completely Obsessed with this bag. I think it's so gorgeous, so perfect for summer. I just absolutely love it. So the inside looks like this. It's just all black. It's got the center pocket just like a Lulu. And then the back has got a little pocket here, just like the Chanel 19 bag. So we love that. Such a gorgeous bag. Okay, so per usual, we saved the best for last. So let me stand up really quickly because she's a biggie. This is something that I've actually had for a really long time. And when I say a really long time, I think I purchased this bag probably at least 3 months ago. And it's just been sitting in the closet. So huge, huge, huge Chanel bag. So I purchased this from the Chanel boutique in the Houston Galleria, and I did not want a box. They didn't have one available that was this big. I didn't want one even if they had one because I literally am running out of space. So, any guesses? So, you guys, I'm just gonna be quiet and take it out the bag. So this is the Chanel Duville tote, which actually I've heard that it's not really called the Duville. I think it's just called like the Chanel shopper tote. It is that beautiful raffia, however you say that. It's like a straw material. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's in the black and gold. So it is a huge tote bag. It definitely gives Neverfull vibes. And I bought this because I wanted it, but also because I have an overseas trip coming up in 2 weeks. And I definitely wanted this. I think this will be perfect. And I think it'll be an amazing beach bag. Hint, hint. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love all the detail. I love that it's got the long shoulder strap as well as the top handle. This is in the largest size. I know there's like a small, a medium. There's a couple sizes of this bag. And then the inside looks like this. So it's a really, really cool denim material. It's got lots of big pockets and slots for like water bottles and sunscreen and all that stuff, you guys. And I am literally completely obsessed. I'm so happy I got my hands on this, you guys. This is my first like new season piece from Chanel in a very long time, and I'm definitely not disappointed. Well, you guys, that wraps up today's pre-birthday haul. I hope you enjoyed all of the items that I had to show you today, and all of the items that I talked about for the Nordstrom anniversary sale will be linked in the description box below. Don't forget to go check that out. So you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in a couple of days.